everyone, I'm Karen Stensgaard and I've just published my latest novel, Project Onion, and in this novel we have another special cocktail called the Mystique, so I'm going to make this one for you today. First, coconut rum, 2 ounces, and then of course for the blue you have curacao, and you need 1/2 ounce, another 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1/4 ounce of blue agave syrup, and a dash of angostura bitters. Then put your shaker together, blend it up good. And voila! We have a beautiful blue Mystique cocktail to go with my new novel, Project Onion. I hope you enjoy it and the drink. Cheers.